In English spelling, some words end with a silent letter E. Today, you'll learn the most common rule, the VCE pattern. This pattern helps you read, spell, and pronounce thousands of English words correctly. What VCE means? VCE means vowel, consonant, and a final silent E. When a word ends with a vowel, a consonant, and a final E, the E is not pronounced, but it changes the vowel sound. What the silent E does. When a word follows the VCE pattern, the silent E makes the vowel say its long sound. A long vowel says its name. Watch the video in the description below on short and long vowel sounds. Let's compare these pairs. Without the E, the vowel is short. Cap, hop, kit. With the silent E, the vowel is long. Cape, hope, kite. In this lesson, you learned two things. When a word ends in vowel, consonant, E, the final E is silent. It is only there to tell you that the vowel before it says its long sound. The rule breakers. Not every silent E follows the rules. For example, in these rebel words, the vowel stays short. Don't worry if these seem tricky now. We will dive much deeper into these rule breakers and other silent E secrets in our future videos. Keep practicing your VSU words, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to keep learning with Terminology Tutor.